Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar here and type for HP space LaserJet space Pro M12a. So click on enter the moment you have typed it and you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed with the first result, which is under support.hp.com, which is the official website of HP LaserJet. Please click on it. In the moment you've clicked on it, wait until this window would appear, which is the HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down, and here under the driver product installation software, you would be able to see this one. Aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Please click on it. And the moment you click on it, it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until it will be downloaded. So click on this download icon to keep on track the download progress. So we just have to wait until this will be finished before we can proceed. Now, once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be able to show it in folder. And once you are being redirected here, please click on this cat icon and then close the window as well as this. And please do a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. The moment we have pasted it, let's move on to our next step. Our next step would be we need to extract this file. So by that, please do a right click and then you need to scroll down. Okay. And go with this extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extracting of this file. We just have to wait until this would be finished. Once done, this folder would be created. Okay, so we just have to wait until it to set. Okay, and by that, please proceed to the start icon, do a right click. Okay, and then scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left pane or the left side of that. Go with Bluetooth and devices. And under here, you need to proceed with devices. Here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down. Okay, proceed with more devices and printer settings. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up this new window, which is the devices and printers. So here, we need to click on add a printer. And this window would show up. Please click on the printer that I want isn't listed. So please click on it and choose for add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Go with next. And then use an existing port. Click this down arrow key and choose among of this USB port. It could be USB 001, USB 002, or USB 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Then once you have set it, please click on next. Go with have disk, go browse. And from here in this window, you need to proceed with your desktop. And at the desktop, please scroll down, locate with this one, double tap to it. Okay, and please scroll down and you would be able to see this three drivers. So all of these three drivers function similarly. All you need to do is you need to select any of this, then click on open. Okay, go with okay. And eventually it will show you here. So we need to select for HP LaserJet Pro M12a, then go with next. Once you have set it, go with next once again, and eventually it will now start in the installation process. We just have to wait until this would be finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue in the installation process. Once done, you would be able to see a window where you can allow or where you cannot allow printer sharing. So if you would like to allow printer sharing, turn this on. And if you don't like that, turn this one on, which is do not share this printer. In my case, I'm allowing printer sharing. That's why I'm turning on. So go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm leaving it unchecked. Go with finished. And eventually you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M12a in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.